how to set song as ringtone in Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to your phone app and then you will see the three dots on the top right. Tap on it, tap on settings, and here you'll find call alerts and ringtone. Tap on it. So go to ringtone, and here you'll find a list of default ringtones that you can choose from. However, if you want a song as a ringtone, I have a trick for you. You can't find songs here, but what you can do is you can come back and then you can go to your Google Chrome and then search for pixabay.com, pixapay.com. And then from here, you can go to the music tab, and here you'll find various free audios. You just have to download it, and it will be downloaded for free. You can see it is downloading, and once it is downloaded, you can go back to your phone app and then uh, you can find that it has been downloaded here, and you can just tap on it and set the ringtone. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, everyone.